So if you've been watching the channel, you know exactly what we've done to this car, and today we have more. We have a new M3 front bumper. Let's get straight into it. I'm going to show you exactly how to get it off and exactly how to put it back on. Let's go. So this is what the car's looked like since the day I bought it, and every time I look at it, it makes me want to gag. It is awful. I've been waiting for the day that I can finally change it, and today is that day. I can't wait to get this off the car. Oh, and don't even get me started on these arches. There we have it, M3 front bumper and 2 wings. Let's get these unpackaged and have a look at them. There you have it, 2 brand new wings and a brand new M3 front bumper. I have got the grille, just took that out, it's over there along with other bits. Yeah, these are going to be scotched up now, straight in the boot. So in order to get the wings off, there are around 5 or 6 T30s at the top of the wing underneath the bonnet. The rest are all 10mm, so there's 1 at the top inside the door shut, 2 inside the wing behind the door shut, 1 above the side skirt and 1 behind the indicator. And then just repeat the process on the other side. And there you have 2 horrible wings going in the bin. Time for the front bumper. Now, it took me a second to figure this out. However, with mine, I don't have any arch linings or an under tray, so I didn't have to unbolt any of these. So if you do have these, you'll most likely have to unbolt them. But if you don't and you're like me, all it is 2 T50s. I think they're underneath the crash bar, and the bumper slides forward of 2 runners on each side. Obviously, not forgetting to unplug any fog lamps you have with them. Now it's time to fit the wings back on, following the same routine as we did getting them off, but in reverse. Once you have them on, you can do your bonnet alignment and the door alignment to make sure it all lines up perfectly and you're happy with how it's sat. The alignment process can take a while if you're picky like me, but you just got to be patient to get the best outcome that you can. Perfect. Then just do the same on the other side. Now with the front bumper, as it is a replica, it doesn't have all the fixings like the original would. So the beam, which is supposed to rivet to the back of the bumper, won't, because it doesn't have the piece to rivet to. So you have to attach the beam first with the 2 T50s and then slide the bumper on over the top. They also don't have any arch linings, so in order to hold the bumper sturdy in place, I put 2 screws either side into the wing to give it support. So there you have it, M3 front bumper is on. Now I don't have fog lights or the covers. Now they are on order, I haven't had a chance to put them on today, so they'll come soon, probably tomorrow actually, so they'll be going on as soon as they come. But look at that, that looks so much better. Actually, let me close the bonnet. That looks so much better with the new wings as well. M3 front bumper, that looks 10 times better. I'm very, very happy. So there we have it, wings are painted, bumper painted. I'm going to give the bonnet a good polish because it's a bit off, it's a bit faded than the other wing. That looks so much more aggressive. So there there we have it, people. It's been one hell of a day. M3 front bumper is on, 2 new wings. The front end looks 10 times better now. Of course, the fog lights and the covers that come with them, they will be going on soon. But I'm extremely happy with how this car looks now. Moving forward, we have got more mods coming up, so stay tuned for that. I hope you guys did enjoy. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.